students, today we are going to talk about the fourth lesson in algebra, which is scientific notations. Today we are going to talk about how to put the number in standard form. Yes, the standard form of rational numbers. We must put the number in this form, a times 10 raised to power n. What about the a here? Its absolute value, it must be including between 1 and 10, and it may be equals to 1. And the n here must be belongs to set z. Let's see exercise to understand this lesson. Exercise, show which of the following in standard form. Number 1, 3.5 times 10 raised to power 5. This number is in standard form. Why? Because we have here 3.5, this number including between 1 and 10. So this is a standard form. Number 2, negative 1.2 times 10 power negative 3. If we put absolute on negative 1.2, it will be equal positive 1.2. So it will be including between 1 and 10 also. So this also is a standard form. Number 3, 0.04 times 10 raised to power 3. This number isn't in standard form. Why? Because we have here 0.04 less than 1. So this isn't in standard form. Number 4, 45 times 10 raised to power negative. This also isn't in standard form. Why? Because 45 here more than 10. So this isn't in standard form. Number 5, 10 times 10 raised to power negative 5. This isn't in standard form. Why? Because 10 here isn't including between 1 and 10. So this isn't in standard form. Finally, negative 8.4. If we put here absolute, it will be equal 8.4, including between 1 and 10. So this is in standard form. The second exercise here, write each of the following in standard form. Yes, we have here normal numbers and we want to change all of them into standard form. How? We can solve this exercise by using your calculator. But as the first time, we must change from normal mode into scientific mode. How to change your calculator from normal mode into scientific mode? Let's see. You must press as the first time on the bottom shift and then mode and then 7, 9. Again, the first time we must press on the bottom shift, mode 7, 9. Then we can change any normal number into scientific notation. Like that. We have here 7, beside it how many zeros? 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it means 700,000. We just write 700,000 by using your calculator and press equal, it will be changed into 7 times 10 power 5, that it means we convert it from normal number into standard form number. The same with number 2, we write 0.00000048 and press equal to be 4.8 times 10 power negative 6. By doing the same with number 3, it will be equal negative 5 times 10 power 5. By doing the same with number 4, it will be equal 7.54 times 10 power negative 6. In number 5 here we have 9 million. What is the meaning of 9 million? It means 9 beside it 6 zeros. So we write 9 beside it 6 zeros and press equal, it will be changed into standard form 9 times 10 power 6. Finally, it will be equal negative 3.047 times 10 power negative 4. Let's see more exercise on this lesson. Follow. Put the suitable sign smaller than, bigger than, or equal. And he gave me here sum of this number in standard form and the other in normal form. To comparing between them, we must change both of them into normal form. How? By using your calculator. But as a first time, we must change your calculator from scientific mode into normal mode. How? Follow these steps. As a first time, we must press on button Shift Mode 8-2. Again, Shift Mode 8-2. Now we can change any standard form into normal form. As the first time, we can write 2.5 times 10 power negative 4. It will be changed into normal form. It will be equal 0.00025, and the right hand side keep as it because it in the form normal form. So we note here both of them are equal. So the suitable sign here, it will be equal. Number 2, we need to change this in normal form by using your calculator. It will be equal negative. Yes, how many zero here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So to read this number, it will be equal negative 7,800,000. And keep the right number as it because it is in normal form. How to read it? 1, 2, 3. And here it will be equal negative 5,400,000. So what about here the biggest one? We know if we have here negative sign, changes the biggest number into smallest number and change the smallest one to be biggest one. So the biggest number here, it will be negative 5,400,000 is the biggest one. So the suitable sign here, it will be this sign. Finally, number 3, by using your calculator, change both of them into normal form. It will be both of them are equal. So the suitable sign here, it will be equal. Let's see more exercise. Exercise here completes. He gave me here, this is number, and it's in normal number, 0.0079. This is normal number. And he asked me to change it into scientific notation or standard form. How? By using your calculator, but as the first time we must change your calculator from normal form into scientific form. And then we write 0.00079 and just press equal. It will be A equal 7.9. Okay, let's see number 2. You give me here 0.00000503 equal 5.03 times 10 raised to power n. Now we also want to change this normal number into standard form. How? By using your calculator. It will be here n equal negative 5. Number 3, he gave me here 2.37 times 10 raised to power negative 4. This is standard form. He asked me here to change it into normal number. So we must change your calculator from normal mode into, from scientific mode into normal mode. And write your number and press equal. It will be equal 0.000237. Finally, exercise, arrange the following in ascending order. He gave me here all of this number in standard form, but we can't arrange them in this form. As the first time, we must use your calculator to change all of them into normal numbers. The first one, it will be equal 0.0036. The second number equal 0.00052. Yes, this is the third one, and finally this is the last one. Now we can arrange them in ascending order. It means, what about the smallest one here? It's so clear, this number, this is the smallest one. So we start with this number. What about the second one here? It will be this number. So this is the second one, 5.2 times 10 raised to power negative 5. What about here, the third number? Yes, it will be 8.35 times 10 power negative 2. And finally, it will be 3.6 times 10 power negative 3. And finally, this is the biggest one, 8.35 times 10 power negative 2. Thanks for your listening. Goodbye, and the next